These are Lovesong and Gambler's kittens. Lovesong is a blue cream. Gambler is a seal tabby boy. They are 7 weeks old yesterday. So we have in the back a seal tabby girl. In the foreground is a seal point boy. And a red or red tabby boy is in the middle there. So these guys are 7 weeks old. This is a brand new toy for them. They've had it for about maybe 10 minutes. And it's one of the toys that I definitely recommend to all my kitten buyers because it is a very favorite toy with adults and kittens alike. Gives them scratching surface in the center. Of course, the ball to play with. And this little girl is playing with a hair ponytail holder thing. One of the other adults was playing with it a little while ago, so I threw it in for these guys. And as you can see, another wonderful toy. The red boy is spoken for. I had to move them into the smaller area to get their picture done because I couldn't keep track of them. They were everywhere. Went off in 3 different directions. Sorry you can't see much of their faces, but these are Lovesong's kittens, 7 weeks old.